Musical, ang Delia D, a musical featuring the songs of Jonathan Manalo. Ang inyong pong mga mensahe, posts, comments, tweets, yun pa ba tawag na yun? IG stories and TikTok videos of love, lahat po yon we cherish and we treasure deeply. We are down to our last 5 shows with 2 encore shows on June 28. So we are inviting everybody to please invite your friends, your families, your loved ones, your exes, your enemies. Kasi feeling ko po talaga magbabati po kayo kapag napanood yung show namin. Tama po ba? Yeah! Ayan po. So maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta. Thank you very much for supporting Philippine Theater.